This is the work of Magic Landscaping. They've been beautifying areas around New Jersey for almost 50 years. Owner Drew Shepard started working in this field when he was only 11 years old.
Magic Landscaping is a full-service landscape design build company. We take pride in designing properties, fixing properties that are broken. We provide planting, hardscaping, as well as grounds maintenance services, including snow removal in the wintertime. We assess the entire property. We assess the design of what's existing, figure out what we need to fix. We also assess the plantings, whether or not they're the appropriate size, shape, whether or not they're blocking architectural elements. And we come back to our client with a full solution that makes sense for their property.
My experiences with Magic Landscaping, we go back at least 25 years to another house that we had built, and Drew and his team did the design and installation of our plants, and we've continued our relationship to this home, and we've just had a great relationship for all these years.
The best way to take care of your property, your investment, is to hire a company that is well versed in the maintenance of the plant material that you have and how to properly care for it horticulturally correctly and seasonally.
They have a unique perspective and approach on every job.
Specifically on this project, there's a transformer that sits in the front of this lawn that you don't know when you drive by. But when I got here, it was sitting there. And what I was trying to create was a very calm, surreal feel for this home. And the idea of putting a circle of boxwoods around this transformer didn't fly for me. I had a conference with the client. We decided to bring in several truckloads of dirt to actually artificially raise the grade and basically countersink this transformer and build a wall around it and put appropriate drainage in it so that anyone coming to the property would never know that it was there.
Here's another unique example.
Great thing about Drew is he has great ideas. Sometimes we don't always agree. He pushes back. We have a very large wall, a retaining wall, that he insisted be covered with stone that's around here, river stone. We were a little skeptical, not so sure, but he was insistent upon it to the point where he said if we didn't like it, he would pay for it. We said, okay. We love the wall. It is absolutely gorgeous, and he definitely made the right call.
Drew and his team can help you make the right decisions when it comes to what works best where. And this leads to magical masterpieces.
One of the most important factors in a beautifully designed landscape is not just how it is seen, but as how it feels. And that ties in hardscaping with softscaping. So respecting architectural cues from the house, making sure that you respect perpendicular and parallel lines and are tying into the structure. That's important for basic hardscaping design. Materials that flow with the house, that complement the house. Then the fun begins with the softscaping. Then you bring in masses of flowers, masses of shrubs and trees to provide color and comfort.
One of the tips I like to share between using annuals and perennials, annuals are a flower that lasts the entire season. They bloom and constantly, whereas perennials have a bloom cycle that lasts only a certain period of time. You'd want to use them in conjunction with one another so that you get constant color in your garden.
And as a design and build firm, they can beautify your pool or backyard area to make it more inviting and make it more like a staycation destination.
We just love being outdoors. It makes everyone so happy in the summer. In the winter, we're out in the snow around here and sledding and just enjoying that. Also, the fall, seeing the beautiful colors of the fall.
And a lot of that is rooted in traditional design, basic design, to make sure that when we're done with this project, not only looks beautiful today, but it looks beautiful 20 years from today.
So get outside, enjoy the fresh air and the beauty that is around you.
Like what you see? Who wouldn't? Visit magiclandscapinginc.com to find out more. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.